How to use ASOS Save for Later feature. The ASOS Save for Later feature now is converted to save items or wish list. What you need to do is, if you want to save it for future, all you have to do is open the ASOS app onto your device. First thing first, here it comes. And you want to go to the product that you want to save it for future or later. You just want to go ahead and start looking for the item or browse the item. Let's see, this is the one. If I want to if I want to save this for later, first of all, let me just go ahead and select the size, all that, quantity, quality, whatever that we want. And you have these heart icon at the very bottom of the page in the left side. You could tap this out and you've saved it. You could also add it to board if you want to. You could create a board if you want to, or you could just leave it as it is, and you've saved it. Now do the same thing with the rest of the items that you want to save. And if you want to ever go ahead and view the save items, you just have to go to the heart at the very top of the page in the right hand side corner, and this is where you're going to view your ASOS Save for Later features. So this is how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.